Zara Nail Bar Hudson is not just a new salon. It is the next step in the shared vision that Ivy has had. She founded Aria Nail Bar, and she didn't know exactly where the journey would take her, but she did know the beauty industry in Arizona deserved more. More care, more professionalism, more aesthetics, intention, and more respect for the people who work at it. From that belief, she grew today across the brands, where she's proud to have over 10 locations throughout the state. Each space carries the same mission: to elevate the beauty experience, to honor the artistry behind the craft, and to create spaces where clients feel cared for and where the team feels proud to belong. So with your support and incredible team, they're planning 12 more locations in 2026. The growth isn't just about numbers, it's about impact and about setting a new standard for the nail industry in Arizona and beyond.
Hi, I'm at Zara Nail Bar's grand opening, and it is amazing. They have not only wonderful food and beverages, but the new spa chairs are gorgeous. I've got the massage on now, it's wonderful.
I love it. I saw that there was a grand opening, and the location is so pretty, so modern. The staff is absolutely amazing.
My experience was absolutely fantastic. I got the 24 karat champagne pedicure, and it was everything that I needed. I feel extremely relaxed. I'm happy with just like the overall experience and the atmosphere here. And yeah, the service is incredible so far.
We live just in these neighborhoods right over here, so we saw this coming in and we were super excited to try it out. Very relaxing pedicure for this pregnant mama.
Yeah.
To the team, thank you for your dedication, your vision, and your heart. To the clients and community, thank you for believing in us. And to everyone here today, welcome home and welcome to Zara. Here's to the growth, creativity, and the future of beauty together. Everybody raise your glass and let's do a cheers for Zara.